Let's identify them. Extruder. The extruder transfers, melts, and extrudes the material layer by layer onto the print bed. Usually have two parts to move and process the material, namely the cold end and the hot end. While the motor in the cold end is responsible for the movement of the extruder, the hot end provides the necessary conditions for the material to be extruded on the print bed. Printer bed. This part is the surface where the material is printed and shaped on, and it should be always flat and level. Filaments. Filaments come in different sizes and characteristics. PLA and ABS are the most common filament types. Heater cartridge. A heater cartridge is a resistive element that converts electric current into heat to be used for printing process. Thermistors. Thermistors are the devices used to measure the temperature of the 3D printer. Nozzle. The nozzle gets heated by the heater cartridge and in turn passes the heat onto the filament. Depending on what is being printed, you might choose different kinds of nozzles to increase thermal conductivity or the extrusion speed. Cooling fans. Cooling fans are used to cool down the parts of 3D printer for the quality of printed materials and lifespan of 3D printers. Cooling fans are used in control boards, hot ends, power supply, and motor. XYZ axis. The XYZ axis in 3D printers refers to overall operation of extrusion of layers in the XY and Z axis. Depending on the machine, the nozzle can move on 1, 2, or 3 axes. Lead screws. Main function of a lead screw is to translate turning motion into linear motion in 3D printers. This way, it provides much more efficiency and precision in the printing process. Belts. These are used to make sure that the movements are controlled and as accurate as possible. Belts also prevent gears from slipping off the track. Stepper motor. These are responsible for all linear movements made by the printer, and they are located in each axis, transmitting rotation into linear movement on the axis. Power supply units. They provide the energy for the 3D printer, and they degrade 110 to 240 volt to 12 to 24 volts for printers to operate. Motherboard. All the electrical units of the 3D printers are connected to and controlled by microcontrollers on motherboards. Motherboards implement the codes sent from 3D printing softwares and enable the production of the 3D object. SD card slots. 3D printers use SD card slots as opposed to USB drives, due to their compatibility with various 3D printing softwares and hardwares. Stepper drivers. These control the movement of the stepper motors, triggering them to coil and make the shaft of the stepper motor circle in a precisely controlled and expected manner. Screen and user interface. Usually being located on top of the 3D printers with touch screen feature allowing users to perform a range of functions within the printer. Those functions include but not limited to warming of printer head, putting the device on the standby mode, displaying the current state of the materials, and starting the printing process. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow our page. Goodbye.